What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.045, up 2.5 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 316 million. 24-hour volume, 179 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, make sure to grab up to 8K in bonuses. Check out my full-length tutorial or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop into the charts. Going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So what we're looking at is pulling back in a wave 4. So far, I think we're putting in the wave C, and this could be a wave 1. That's a wave 2 pullback. We're pushing up in a 3. We'd pull back in a 4, and you'd see one more wave up in a wave 5 to complete the wave C, to complete the wave 4 before seeing continuation to the downside. If we break 0.048, it would invalidate that as a wave 4. And potentially what I would look at is that your wave A is already in, and then you're putting in a wave B pullback before coming down in a final wave C to take you down to our wave 2 pullback zone. That's what I think is a likely scenario if we were to break 0.048. On the daily time frame, we're holding the 50 SMA. As I mentioned previously, it acts as a strong level of resistance and support, as you can see right here, and that is where we're seeing it bounce. Also, we do have structural support at this level. So what I think is likely here is we're seeing a nice little dead cat bounce before seeing continuation to the downside. In my opinion, I do think these divergences will fully play out, but if we were to get back above the 20 EMA, we hold it as support, then you could see continuation and break that high. I think it's a less likely scenario, but anything is possible. Maybe we come up and put in a double top. But personally, right now, I do think we'll either get rejected by this wave 4 pullback zone, or we'll put in basically about a 50% retracement of wave A and a wave B pullback before seeing continuation down. However, BTC is in a rejection zone. I just posted a BTC video, which you can check out for the full analysis. But it is in the rejection zone for a typical wave B, unless it's going to be overshooting. Usually a wave B will retrace about 50% or about 61.8%. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at for Gala Games. Hope you found it helpful. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. Completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can get my analysis and trade signals for 10 USD per month. Currently, we just locked in gains on a Bitcoin long trade, currently in another position. That's coming in at 10 USD per month. You really can't beat it. Crypto news post their profits in here as well. We'll quickly let it load up. My HODL alt plays, as you can see, they like to post their profits in here. All of that's coming in at 10 USD per month. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.